Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 8 hacks and tricks for students using Notion. It is possible to insert documents in Notion. This is really nice when you want to upload summaries, for example. Inserting documents is very easy. When you study with music, it is useful to embed a Spotify playlist in your Notion. Embedding a Spotify playlist is done as follows. You can use Notion in both light and dark mode. Especially when you study at night, it can be nice to switch to dark mode. On every page in Notion you can add an icon. Most people use emojis for this. However, you can also use the icons of Notion VIP. Notion VIP has several icons for students. You will find this under the heading Education. The icons under the heading Planning and Productivity are also suitable. Uploading a Notion VIP icon is very easy. Notion VIP also has icons for people who use the dark mode of Notion. The toggle function within Notion is very useful for students. The feature allows you to create practice questions to test yourself. When you have many different pages in Notion, it is sometimes difficult to find a specific page. However, There's a handy search function within Notion that can help you find a page. In Notion, it is possible to lock a page. When you do this, you can no longer edit the page. This is especially useful if you have made a summary, for example. By locking the summary, you can't accidentally delete text. With the website indified.co, you can create widgets for your Notion pages. The website also has handy widgets for students. There are many features available that allow you to customize the widget. These were 8 hacks and tricks for students using Notion. Thanks for watching. Bye!